Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, I'm going to share a fraud case with you so that you guys are really alert, and this has happened with one of my students from Nepal. This should not happen with any of my students, and if you share this video, this will not happen with anyone. What happened guys, this student of mine, he saw somewhere on the internet that they are offering jobs in USA, and the complete package includes IELTS test, IELTS training, IELTS TRF test result, and then there is the job and all that stuff. And for that they actually demanded 4,000 American dollars, and he paid that amount in Nepali currency. Let me tell you, people are so desperate to go to Canada, Australia, America. They are so desperate, and IELTS is difficult. Their English level is not up to that mark where they achieve 8,777, so they become more frustrated. And when they become frustrated, these monsters enter, and these monsters show them the back doorway. They show them under the table deals and all that, and then they think, yes, I will be able to go to USA without without IELTS and all that. And these people, those who pay them the money, they don't tell anybody, they keep it a secret. Only I will go to USA, I have paid for a fake IELTS certificate, I have paid for my appointment letter and all that. Now you can see this appointment letter. This student of mine, he just sent it to me, his appointment letter in an American company and job and all that. And then they issued him this IELTS TRF also, gender training IELTS TRF, because he paid good amount, and they sent him this gender training TRF, listening 7.5, reading 8.5, writing 7.5, speaking 8.5. But let me tell you, this TRF is also fake. By the time he realized, he sent this document which I showed you, he sent this document to American Embassy, and American Embassy people confirmed that this document is fake. And he did not send this TRF to British Council or anywhere to check whether it is certified IELTS TRF or non-certified. So the TRF is also non-certified. This appointment letter is also fake. Please be careful. I have noticed on internet there are several companies, they show that they are in Canada, they are employment recruiters, they need people in Canada, they will arrange your job, they will arrange for IELTS, they give you a package like that. All these things are fake, and that's a big fraud. Now this student of mine from Nepal, he has nothing left, and he is only sorrowful, he is only sad. Now he's asking me, what should I do now, sir? And I say, I don't know. What can you do now? You've paid the money, and these people are so cunning who offer these jobs and these certificates. These people are so cunning that until the last cent they take out of you, they don't just let you go. This student just shared the same story. They showed him the IELTS TRF, and they said, we will send it to you from Dubai, and we need $100 insurance for this TRF. This is how once you get stuck, and then there you are. One of my students, he shared his passport, and then these people blackmailed him by saying, we have the copy of your passport, we will blacklist you unless you pay us $500 and all that. The first thing is, don't be afraid. Whenever you come into any situation like this and they blackmail you, let me tell you, these people are faceless. These people are cowards. They just try to scare you so that they could get maximum out of you, and that's it. I'm sharing this story. It's your job to share this video on Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, so that everybody should know. And guys, these people are cheating us from the countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, because they know the people in this country, they are so desperate to go to foreign countries. So that's why their target market is these 4-5 countries. All the best. I'm so sorry for him. He lost his money, and most of us who plan to go abroad, they belong to middle class. They belong to middle class, upper middle class or lower middle class, but we belong to middle class, and we've got this money is the asset of our life. which our parents spend on us. That's the asset of our life. And through these frauds, the assets are gone, so the lifetime opportunity is gone. Now this guy cannot go to a foreign country. His money is gone, his reputation is gone, his reputation in the eyes of his family, that is all gone. So remember, in Punjabi we say, jidon tak lalchi zinda hai, udon tak धोखेबाज कदी भूखा नहीं मरूगा. In Hindi we say, जब तक लालची जिंदा है, तब तक धोखेबाज कभी भूखा नहीं मरेगा. In English we say, as long as the greedy people are alive, the cheaters will not die of hungers because of the greedy people. But I would not call this person greedy. He was frustrated. He was disappointed. He just saw a ray of light from somewhere, whether it was right or wrong, fake or foul, but he just saw that somewhere and he decided to go for it, and finally there was a big fraud that was done with him. So please be careful. I don't want any of you to share your story with me like this, that Asad sir, I lost my money, Asad sir, I paid a certain amount to someone and there I lost the money. I don't want any of you to say that. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.